Welcome guys, this is Kid Storm. We are going to play with monster trucks, dinosaurs, and army tanks. Let's go! Let's stop!
Whoa, Emma. Nice. Let's see what kind of truck you've got.
Fire!
Oh, let's see. Hold on. Get closer. It's a Hot Wheels. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's an Indominus Rex! Everybody run! Get to the monster truck, Hot Wheels!
What, me?
Oh no! Oh, here we go. Helicopter's coming. It's time to take out the Indominus. Ooh, a near miss. All right, let's see. He's down. So let's go ahead and have fun with the monster truck Hot Wheels set. With a surprise inside. I wonder what's inside of that volcano.
A dinosaur! A dinosaur! No, Emma, leave it.
Turning it on. All right, first thing. Let's see that again. Whoa!
I will do it. I will do it. I do it. Get up. A dinosaur! A dinosaur!
Look at this dino! Ooh, he's scary. Alright, let's see. Ooh, missed again. Oh!
Ready, 2, 1. You need to also close this dinosaur. Also close this dinosaur.
Woo!
Also close this dinosaur. Ready, 2, 1, 6. Let's do it. One second, go.
Whoa, that was quick. Look at where he landed.
Sorry, Mom. Want to watch me, Mom?
Go for it.
No. Back when it's
And over here, we got flipping. Lots of flipping. All right,
Yes,
let's see. Take out the
ready,
barrels.
go. Ready, 2,
Woo!
baby ones.
All right, what kind of Hot Wheels car do you have, Emma? It is a Jurassic World. Woo, look at how scary that is. All right, Emma, let's go. What is this one?
Dinosaur!
Whoa, look at that, guys. Jurassic World.
Cretaceous!
Camp Cretaceous. All right, what do we have over here? We have
A
Jurassic World.
And Scorpion.
Whoa.
And the raccoon.
Look at there. This is pretty intense. Uh-oh. Did you say Scorpius Rex? Oh no! The Scorpius Rex is coming to take over the Hot Wheels monster truck set.
No, sure.
Somebody stop him! Oh! The tank special force. We got a second tank. And we got the helicopter as big as Emma. Yeah. Get him. Oh, he didn't have a chance with that helicopter.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and hit comment down below. Okay,
Yeah.
can we start with something really
Yeah, go.
Go.